Alright, I have a Govee RGB LED backlit that I will install and configure on my TV for some backlit. Comes in the box, a remote controller, instructions, alcohol prep pad, these little connectors, and the actual LED light. So let's get to it. Next, we're just going to unwind the LED from the strip. Takes 5-volt DC and powered by 10 watts. So you have a TV that has a USB port. You can just plug this into the USB port of the TV for power. It does not come with a power block, so you will need plug this into a USB port. So I start at that corner and start taping it along the side of the bottom. Here's the turn. I'm going to make another 90-degree turn. Alright, now connect it to the other side. Okay, now completed and plugged into the USB port. Now let's test this out.